ट्रांसलेशन जयेश भाई।
एक दिन मेरे नेवल पे बहुत पेन हो रहा था, एकदम ऐसा लग रहा था मतलब मैं चल भी नहीं पा रही हूँ। मैंने वो बैच ऐसा लिया और वहाँ पे ऐसे पजामे के उधर लगा के और 2 मिनट से 3 मिनट के अंदर ही मेरा पूरा पेन खत्म हो गया। इतना पेन था कि मैं ऐसे खड़े भी नहीं हो पा रही थी।
She said that one day she was having a severe pain in her navel chakra and she just kept the batch there, and within 2 to 3 minutes the pain was totally gone.
I usually don't get pain, but for the past 6 months to 1 year, I don't know whether due to menopause or whatever, I don't know, but I used to get lot of physical pain and bloating. I cannot diet. I always feel bloated and many things. But Rima last time when I was in Nasik, she said, "Madam, why don't you wear the ladies badge?" I was wearing pendant, I told, but she said, she reminds me again, okay, ladies badge, and she gave one. And the moment I wear that, after 5 minutes, no more discomfort. And after 1 or 2 days during consultation, one more lady asked me for the badge, so I gave mine. And again I felt the same sickness and all these things. So I was searching for other badges. That time only I found this Founders Day badge, which I was kept in my purse. Then I started wearing it. It is something different level, like not even the emotions, thought forms of other people also it's not affecting. That's what I feel, because I usually get like run away from PVH, cannot do it. Whenever I want to come to the workshop or want to do something stops me or something like that. It's very hard to do things. But since then I wear this badge, I'm completely normal and nothing is affecting me anymore. So, but whenever I change my dress, I immediately open it and I put it in the new dress and then only I wear it. Not even a single moment I'm having without this.
மேடம்
ஒரு வாரம் முன்னாடி எங்கள் வீட்டுக்கு ஒருத்தர் வந்தார், ஃபோன் பண்ணிட்டு தான் வந்தார். எனக்கு ஒரு வாண்ட் வேணும் மேடம், வாங்கிக்கணும்.
1 week before somebody came to her house, because she is a PVH teacher. Every Sunday she conducts class, so somebody came to get the healing wand.
I gave him, but he didn't go. போகவே மாட்டேன்ட்டார். என்னென்னமோ பேசி நானும் ரொம்ப பொறுமையோடு பார்த்தேன். அப்புறம் ஏன் இந்த மாதிரி இவர் என்கிட்ட பேசுகிறாரு, வேண்டாத தேவையில்லாத பேச்சு அதெல்லாம். நான் சொன்னேன், சார் ஒரு நிமிஷம் இங்கே இருங்க அப்படின்ட்டு உள்ளே போய் இந்த பேட்ஜை குத்திட்டு வந்தேன். வரைச்சவே நான் சொன்னேன், இதை தொட்டுண்டு இந்த ஆளை முதல்ல இங்கேருந்து துரத்து.
See, he learns the classes, but still he is not going, complaining. He's just downloading all his problems to her. So she gets affected by his energy. And she went inside and take the badge and wear it and saying, wand, please chase him away.
Please get rid of him.
Chase him away right now.
Yeah.
அப்போ நான் போயிட்டு அந்த சோஃபா கிட்ட வரைச்சி சொல்லுங்க சார் அப்படின்னு மறுபடியும் என்னை பார்த்ததும் எதையோ பார்த்து பயந்துட்ட மாதிரி ஓடியே போயிட்டேன்.
All women do it for your husband.
It's not for us, sir.
Say, makes men go away and don't come back 1 week. After 1 week, come back home. Do that.
It's not turned up after that.
Not forever, 1 week, madam.
Nobody can come into Rara in the idea of troubling you. Okay, yes. That is the thing. But whenever you wear this, I feel that you have more love and compassion towards others, understanding towards others. That makes our aura stronger. That's what I feel. That person cannot even stand in front of her. He just went.
அப்படியே ஒரு புலியா மாறிச்சு மேடம்.
ஆமா சார்.